Plant FAQs. Colocasia lime gecko. Colocasia lime gecko. Unraveling the beauty of the lemon lime jewel. Hi there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of a captivating houseplant, the Colocasia lime gecko. This beauty boasts stunning foliage that adds a vibrant pop of color to any indoor space. If you're considering welcoming a Colocasia lime gecko into your home, you've come to the right place. This FAQ will unveil everything you need to know about caring for this tropical gem. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Colocasia lime gecko? The Colocasia lime gecko, a cultivar of the Colocasia esculenta, elephant ear, species, is prized for its mesmerizing foliage. This tropical wonder features heart-shaped leaves with a captivating color combination. The base boasts a rich lime green, while the upper part showcases vibrant chartreuse streaks and speckles. The result? A dazzling display that resembles the skin of a lime gecko, hence its name. Is Colocasia lime gecko easy to care for? Absolutely. The Colocasia lime gecko is known for being a relatively low-maintenance houseplant. As long as you provide it with the right environment, it'll thrive and reward you with its stunning presence. Light requirements for Colocasia lime gecko. While the Colocasia lime gecko enjoys a fair amount of light, it prefers indirect sunlight. Harsh, direct sun can scorch the delicate leaves. A spot near an east-facing window or a few feet away from a south-facing window is ideal. Watering needs for Colocasia lime gecko. This tropical plant thrives in moist conditions. Aim to keep the soil consistently damp but not soggy. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. During winter, reduce watering frequency as the plant goes into a semi-dormant state. Ideal soil mix for Colocasia lime gecko. For optimal growth, provide your Colocasia lime gecko with a well-draining potting mix. A mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark will ensure proper drainage and aeration for the roots. Temperature and humidity for Colocasia lime gecko. As a native of tropical regions, the Colocasia lime gecko thrives in warm and humid environments. Ideally, maintain temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. If the air feels dry, consider using a humidifier or placing the pot on a pebble tray filled with water. Does Colocasia lime gecko need fertilizer? While not strictly necessary, a light feeding during the growing season, spring and summer, can give your Colocasia lime gecko a boost. Opt for a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer applied once a month. Remember, it's always better to under-fertilize than over-fertilize. How big does Colocasia lime gecko get? The Colocasia lime gecko can grow to a mature height of around 4 to 5 feet, 1.2 to 1.5 meters, with leaves reaching up to 1 to 2 feet, 0.3 to 0.6 meters, in width. Its growth rate is moderate, so you can enjoy its beauty for years to come. Is Colocasia lime gecko toxic? Unfortunately, yes. The Colocasia lime gecko, like all members of the Colocasia family, contains calcium oxalate crystals which are toxic if ingested. Be cautious if you have pets or small children around, and keep the plant out of reach. Repotting Colocasia lime gecko. As your Colocasia lime gecko matures, it may become root-bound. Signs of this include slow growth, leaves drooping, or roots circling the pot's drainage holes. When this happens, repot your plant into a slightly larger container with fresh potting mix. Spring is the ideal time for repotting. Propagating Colocasia lime gecko. Looking to expand your Colocasia collection? The good news is that this plant can be easily propagated through division. During repotting, carefully separate the offsets, baby plants, growing at the base of the mother plant. Each offset can be potted up individually to create new Colocasia lime gecko plants. Common problems with Colocasia lime gecko. While generally a resilient plant, there are a few issues you might encounter. Here are some common problems and solutions. Brown leaf tips. This can be caused by underwatering, low humidity, or excessive fertilizer. Adjust your watering schedule, increase humidity, and flush the soil with water to remove any fertilizer buildup. Yellowing leaves. Overwatering is the most likely culprit. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Pest infestation. Keep an eye out for common houseplant pests like mealybugs and spider mites. Neem oil spray or insecticidal soap are effective solutions for these pests. Colocasia lime gecko versus other popular houseplants. Often confused with its close relative, the Alocasia, the Colocasia lime gecko has some key distinctions. Alocasias generally have more arrow-shaped leaves and a more prominent central vein. Additionally, Alocasias tend to be more finicky with watering needs compared to the more forgiving Colocasia lime gecko. Another popular comparison is with the caladium. While both boast beautiful foliage, caladiums typically have thinner, flatter leaves with a wider range of color combinations. Caladiums also go dormant during winter, unlike the Colocasia lime gecko, which can maintain some growth throughout the year. Colocasia Midori sour versus lime gecko. Both the Midori sour and lime gecko are stunning colocasias, but they add a touch of their own personality to my plant collection. The Midori sour initially drew me in with its dramatic flair. Its heart-shaped leaves boast a vibrant lime green, but the real showstopper is the hot pink splash right where the leaf meets the stem. It's like a tiny explosion of color that I can't help but admire every time I walk by. Caring for it has been fairly smooth sailing. It thrives in the bright, indirect sunlight that streams through my east-facing window and seems content with a regular watering routine. Conclusion: embrace the allure of the Colocasia lime gecko. With its stunning lime green and chartreuse foliage, the Colocasia lime gecko is a true showstopper for any indoor space. Following these simple care tips will ensure your Colocasia lime gecko thrives and brings a touch of the tropics to your home. Remember, this low-maintenance beauty is perfect for both seasoned plant enthusiasts and beginners alike. So, why not add a touch of vibrant charm to your surroundings and welcome a Colocasia lime gecko into your life?